Perennials, pottery, and so many plants. Bentley Ridge Tree Farm and Nursery is stocked with all your gardening needs. I met with Jimmy Juergens for a tour of their greenhouse and so much more. The greenhouse at Bentley Ridge Tree Farm and Nursery is absolutely gorgeous. And Jimmy, this is your second year for this actual greenhouse that we're in right now.
Yeah, we put the greenhouse up last year. We've got tons of annuals, tropicals, houseplants in here. Tons of beautiful flowers too, and that's a huge attribute that we were kind of missing prior to last year. It's been a really nice thing to add. Hanging baskets, everybody likes those at their house, so we got tons of different ones of those too. All the different annual varieties. We've kind of made a name last year with having some varieties that other places don't. So we stock a lot of different varieties of thing that we don't have, 1,000 of one variety, but we stock so many different colors and so many color variants and stuff that people have really been able to kind of pick up and find something that's more attuned to them there.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, these ones, Dalias here, we carry these in a couple different sizes, but they bloom, have that huge flower on them, all the different colors and forms that pop up there. So
yeah, I love all the unique color combinations you have too.
Yeah, and that was kind of our goal with the greenhouse especially, was we wanted to not just cater to petunias, we're standing right by them, but not a bad thing, and Calabroca and stuff like that, but we wanted to have everything. We wanted to have a mix that anybody could make their own personalized baskets, make their own personalized setting there. So that was always kind of the goal with the greenhouse, is adding that aspect to what we already offered. So
you also have a great collection of perennials outside as well.
Yep, in our perennial section, which is actually just right behind our greenhouse here. I think last year we carried 150 plus varieties of perennial. This year we're going to be somewhere in that same wheelhouse. We've got all the different grasses, Carl Foresters and switch grasses, and everything that people need for their outdoor projects that want them to come back each season. But yeah, that's a whole area of its own too. We separate the two just so you know kind of what area you might be looking for. But yeah, our perennial section is ever growing. That was another huge addition last year, was increasing the size of that area, because so many people want the different colors and different color variations there too. So yeah, that's right behind the greenhouse there though.
And to the side you have a big space for trees, what you're known for.
Yes, yeah, got our start with trees. We've always loved our tree selection, getting more and more of our own stock that we've been able to grow and get started for us. The white bags that you'll see out in the area are what we grow. Very excited about that. And then yeah, just having a huge selection of them. We like being able to cater to the people that you can come and get one tree, or you can get a whole tree line put together out here. And so we really want people to be able to pick their individual look, their individual tree. You're not just buying from an online source, you're buying the exact trees that you want. And again, that's our bread and butter. That's where we became Bentley Ridge Tree Farm, but we've just been having a good time adding everything else into the mix here too. And shrubs are out there as well, tons of different shrubs to go with our perennial section. Those two kind of tie together, and people put shrubs in to kind of up by their house with perennials, with the annuals. Just kind of has everything you might need.
Do you have a favorite tree or shrub? Canada
red chokecherry has got to be my favorite tree. That's a pretty unique one. Changes from green right now with white flowers. In the early summer it turns to deep purple, so that's one of my favorites. But
okay, lots more color here. This is my aisle, I think, because I see all the pinks.
Lots of pink geraniums, lots of different colored geraniums there.
You have great planters. You have a whole pottery section out here.
Yeah, our pottery section, that was another area where we'd been to other greenhouses, other places, and we'd seen a few here and there. We wanted to go huge on the pottery. We wanted to have every color variation you might want, have a very large section that was easy to browse, so you could really measure them out and make sure you had the right ones that would fit your space.
You also have a lot of great ironworks. In fact, I see this behind you.
Yeah.
A lot of great locally made iron.
Yes, RS Welding Studio. I'll say their name all the time. They're great people. They make some amazing stuff for us, from our pheasants to some of the trellises to the flamingos. We have a lot of the local stuff. We carry some of the fun wind spinners from other places and things like that too. But yeah, we really like to rep our local friends there. So.
Should we go check out some of your retail area with the flags?
Absolutely, let's do it. Yeah, so then from our greenhouse here, we come into the retail facility, and in here we've got everything. We've got a lot of decor items. We've got the specialty house plants. We have every chemical you could need as well.
And you got all the flags, more decor and everything like that. And you have an outside section as well.
Yeah, and kind of our outside section right off of the building kind of displays everything that's maybe looking the best right now too. And yeah, it goes along with our flags, and we have a lot more decor items out there to cater to the plants as well.
Okay, time to go shopping, get our gardens ready.
That's right.
Yes, let's do it. To learn more, you can go to bentleyridgetreefarm.com or call 515-444-9101. Bentley Ridge is located in Grimes, and you can check them out on social media.